Feeling like your money just disappears each month? You're not alone. In today's world, with rising costs and constant temptations to overspend, saving can feel impossible. Today, we're diving into 18 old-fashioned frugal habits that will help you stretch every dollar, reduce stress, and bring back control of your finances in 2025. Let's dive in. 1. Meal planning and cooking at home. Eating out was a rare treat back then. Most meals were planned and cooked at home, which saved money and reduced waste. Spend 1 hour each week planning meals and shop with a list. 2. Repairing before replacing. Torn clothes or broken furniture weren't tossed, they were fixed. This habit can save you hundreds. Learn basic repair skills or find a local repair shop to give items a second life. 3. Growing your own food. Gardens weren't just decorative, they provided real savings. Even a small herb garden can cut costs. Start with easy plants like basil, lettuce, or tomatoes. 4. Making do with what you have. Instead of buying something new, people made do with what they already had. This mindset can save money instantly. Before shopping, ask yourself, can I use something I already own? 5. Line drying clothes. Dryers were considered a luxury. Hanging clothes to dry saved energy and extended their lifespan. Use a drying rack or line to cut down on electricity use. 6. Using cash envelopes. Credit cards didn't exist, so budgets were managed with cash. It's a simple way to control spending. Use cash envelopes for categories like groceries or entertainment and stick to your limit. 7. Living below your means. People didn't chase trends or overspend to impress others. They lived within their means and saved the rest. Set a spending limit below your income and put the rest into savings or investments. If you've learned something so far, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. 8. Avoiding debt for non-essentials. Debt was for emergencies, not luxuries. This mindset kept people out of financial trouble. Save for what you want instead of putting it on a credit card. 9. Batch cooking and freezing meals. Cooking in bulk wasn't just efficient, it saved money and time. Leftovers were a strategy, not a burden. Double your recipes and freeze extras for busy nights. 10. Entertaining at home. Going out wasn't the norm. Hosting friends for potlucks or game nights was the affordable way to socialize. Invite friends over and focus on connection, not expense. 11. Walking or biking more. Cars weren't always the default. People walked or biked everywhere to save money. Walk or bike for short trips instead of driving. 12. DIY gifts. Handmade gifts were personal and frugal. They came from the heart, not the wallet. Bake cookies, make crafts, or create photo albums for special occasions. 13. Enjoying free activities. Instead of spending money for fun, people enjoyed free or low-cost activities like picnics or hikes. Research local parks, free events, or host a simple outdoor day. 14. Embracing simplicity. Fewer possessions meant less stress. People focused on needs, not wants. Declutter and prioritize what brings real value to your life. 15. Learning money-saving skills. Sewing, cooking, and fixing things weren't just hobbies, they were essential life skills. Pick one skill, like sewing or gardening, and practice regularly. 16. Buying in bulk wisely. Bulk buying saved trips and money for essentials like grains or household items. Purchase non-perishables in bulk when on sale. 17. Delaying gratification. Impulsive spending wasn't an option. People waited and saved for what they wanted. Follow a 24-hour rule before making non-essential purchases. 18. Tracking every penny. Every dollar was accounted for. Budgets were simple but effective. Use a notebook or app to track your expenses daily. These old-fashioned habits aren't just about saving money, they're about living smarter, reducing waste, and creating a life with less stress and more control. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.